Hi everyone, it's Aisha Beau here, and today I'm going to be trying out the Lip Bar's latest launch, their Fast Face Kit. If you've been following my channel for some time now, you know that I am big on a super simple and easy to do makeup routine. I got places to go, you got places to go. Nobody has time to be sitting here all day trying to figure out how to contour, apply super intricate eyeshadow, lashes, etc. I like something that looks like me and my skin, but better. I love makeup, but I don't want to be overshadowed by the makeup that I wear. So I usually like to keep it really simple. And when I heard about the Lip Bar's latest launch and they reached out to me about giving the Fast Face Kit a try, I had to jump at the opportunity. I was actually talking to the founder of the Lip Bar, Melissa Butler, recently. I have an interview with her on my blog. Make sure that you go and check it out. I'll put a link up top. And she was letting me know that she felt as though the makeup industry in recent years has gotten super intimidating, and I couldn't agree more. I feel like now that we have so many options, and because of YouTube and the influence of bloggers and whatnot, makeup is becoming something that is a lot more intricate than it used to be, which isn't a bad thing because, girl, I love me some Jackie Aina. I love like all these YouTubers who can do these amazing makeup looks. But for the rest of us who can't necessarily do that on a regular basis, whether it's because of work or just our skill level, I think it's really important to also promote the more simple and easy to do day-to-day makeup routines. And that is what the Fast Face Kit is all about. Another great aspect of this kit is the fact that they take all of the guesswork out of it for you. So all you have to do is go in, fill out your foundation shade, whatever that is, and other types of foundation that you wear. And from there, they go behind the scenes and they pull different colors and products that'll work perfectly with that foundation shade and that match really nicely to your skin and give you that pop. I'm actually wearing all of the products on my face right now that came in my specific kit, and I am loving this look. So for this video, I'm going to walk you through each product that's included in the kit, how I use each product, and the fact that it took me less than 10 minutes to do. So without further ado, I'm going to hop right into this video because I know that this is supposed to be a quick video, a quick tutorial on how to get in and get out. So I'm not going to waste too much time chatting your head off. Let's get into it. So here I am with a completely fresh face. I just finished my skincare routine. I made sure my skin is nice and clean and moisturized. I also clipped my hair back so it's a lot easier for me to put my makeup on and I don't get any makeup in my hair during the process. Before I get started, I kind of want to walk you through each of the products that are featured in the Fast Face Kit. So to start, we have the foundation. So this is the Skin Serum Foundation. And one thing that's really great about this foundation is that it includes hyaluronic acid and Irish moss extract. So the hyaluronic acid is one of my absolute favorite skincare ingredients ever. If you're looking to have super supple, moisturized, and dewy skin, hyaluronic acid is an ingredient that is a must in your skincare products, especially serums and other products that you want to use to help retain that moisture within your skin. Hyaluronic acid is actually something that's already found in our skin, but when we use serums, it helps to kind of promote that and increase its effects. So the fact that she included that in the foundation is really smart, and I'm really excited to see how it all looks together. I've actually put some of the foundation on my skin already, so I know that it's actually a match for my skin, but I want to see how it sets and how it looks after a while and how it feels after I'm wearing it. So I'm really excited about that. The next product that I want to mention is, so now this is their matte finish face palette. and this includes the Face Young Stunner. So this is like a setting powder that I'm going to put on top of my foundation to set everything, set in the foundation. And then this right here is the blush, and the color is Bling Bling. It's very cute and very bright. I'm a blush girl, so this color is definitely right up my alley. And the next one is the highlighter, and the color is So Icy. And then the last is a contour, and the color is Flossin'. So the contour is something that you can use to add a little bit of definition. I don't know that I'm going to be using the contour in this tutorial because I don't usually do it in my regular everyday makeup routine, but we'll see how I feel. And then the other products, so we have the Quick Draw 2-in-1 brow gel and pencil. And so on one side, when you turn it like this, you have your brow gel, and I really like this color. It's a nice rich brown color. I would not recommend doing a brow gel that's black unless you have like very, very, very black hair. Like unless your hair is black, your eyebrows are black, but even then I feel like sometimes it can be a little much. But it depends. It honestly depends on how your eyebrows look naturally. I know that my hair is dark brown and my brows are dark brown, so that color is perfect. And then the other side is the brow pencil, so you just twist it up like this. And I like the little precision on there, which is really nice, so that should make it easy for me when it comes to filling in brows. If you've watched my other makeup tutorials, you know that I'm very low maintenance when it comes to brows, but I might just give this brow pencil a try and see how it looks on my skin. The next product is the Smudge Proof Eyeliner. It's a nice pencil eyeliner, which is really great, and this is going to glide on really, really, really nicely. I don't use eyeliner every single day, but I can already tell, yeah, that I'm going to like this. It glides on really, really, really nicely, which is awesome. And then we have the Lash Flash Strengthening Mascara. So obviously you all know what mascara does. It is. So I'm very curious to see how that looks on my lashes. And then we also have these two brushes that I can use interchangeably. I'll probably use this head for my highlight and if I was doing the contour. And then this side, I'll probably use the setting powder on this and maybe the blush if I don't use my fingers for it. And then the last step is their lipstick, and this is in the color Unimpressed. I love lipstick. Lipstick is always my favorite part of my makeup look. As you know, I like to keep my makeup look super simple, so a nice bold pop-in lip is always something that I'm looking for. So this color is going to look really nice. Alright, now that I've walked you through all of the products included in the Fast Face Kit, I'm going to get into the nitty-gritty of how to actually apply it. I'm just going to go through each product and apply it myself and see if it actually only takes less than 7 minutes to do. I have a lot of faith in it because I can see already how simple and streamlined the entire kit is, so I'm really excited to dive in. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to use is the foundation. I'm going to just do 2 pumps. I know it said 1 pump, but I'm doing 2. I know it's against the rules, but so now we're just going to go through and just add that on. Ooh. Yeah, like I mentioned, I had already tried it on just to make sure that it actually matched my skin, and I was so pleased to see that it does, because what I did was their shade finder, or their shade matcher on their website, and that all I did was put in like my other foundation shades from different brands that I use, and they were able to get me the exact color. I'm actually gonna do 1 more pump. They were able to get me the exact color, which is awesome. So that was great. Just gonna go through. This is really nice. I like this applicator so much because of how easy and seamless it is. I know a lot of us, we have like different blenders, or we try to decide if we're going to use like a blender or a brush, but having it all in one just saves so much, not just money but time. And to clean this, if you want to reuse it, all you have to do is wash it with a facial cleanser with some lukewarm water. I usually like to wash my brushes like straight out of the shower, like while I'm in the shower or straight out of the shower. I really like that it blends in super nicely with my skin. I hate wearing a foundation that looks like foundation, so this is really nice that it looks super skin-like. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go in here with the setting powder. I'm gonna brush off, blow off the excess. Just go in with the powder on my skin and just set everything. Just a little bit should suffice. Just for those of us who are on the oilier end or a little shiny, just a little bit of setting powder goes a long way. All right, I said I wasn't gonna do, I'm gonna try the contour. I'm gonna try the contour, just a little bit. Just a little bit of the contour. And then I wanna go like this. Ooh, okay, nice. Not gonna do too much, I'm gonna go over here. Spread it out a little bit. Make sure it's super, super well blended. Blends out really, really nicely. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm gonna add on some blush. So I'm just gonna go in with my finger and I'm just gonna rub it on here. Yeah. I feel like I have a little bit more control when I use my finger whenever I'm putting on blush, so. I had to open the door real quick because it is hot in my bathroom for some reason. Okay, so now the next step that I'm gonna do is the highlighter. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the highlighter right here. Make sure I blow off the excess. Just a little bit right here. Now I'm gonna go on with my brows. I actually usually do my brows a little bit earlier, but I don't know, I held off. So I am going to use the brow pen first, or the brow pencil first. Okay, so what I'm doing is I like how it actually takes to my skin, which is really nice. Because I have had some brow pencils that you literally can't see at all. I kind of like a bushier brow, so I'm not gonna go too hard with lining this out. And then I'm just gonna do a few hair-like strokes. Really, really important if you're using a brow gel or a brow brush to brush your brows. That just helps to keep them all in one direction and just makes your brow look so much neater. I personally like a bushy brow, but using a brow gel kind of helps with that, as opposed to me like penciling in my brows all the time. Sometimes I'll just use a brow gel. Well, for the most part, I'll just use a brow gel. All right, and now the next thing that I'm going to do is add on a little bit of eyeliner. I like to just do a little on the outer part, not too much. I like to start from underneath and then go in and scoop them. And then go back underneath just to make sure that there's no clumping. Now for the very last step, I'm gonna add on some lipstick. I love this color. I've been looking for like a nice calm pink, especially for the winter, and this is perfect. Okay, and of course, so it doesn't get on my teeth. And voila! There is the look in less than 10 minutes. That was perfect and so easy, and I really like how everything looks. Like, it's so pretty. I love this lipstick so much. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this lipstick a lot in a lot of my upcoming videos. I really like how everything looks together, and the fact that all I did was match my foundation, and then they gave me all of the colors for my entire face that worked really well is crazy. And I feel like this is such an innovative product, and a very innovative idea, kit, I guess, since it's more than one product. And I absolutely love it. And I feel like for those of you who are subscribed to my channel, and I know a lot of you really love the fact that I'm very minimal when it comes to makeup, because not a lot of us know how to do all the cut creases and crazy contours and eyeshadow and stuff like that. And this really simplifies it for those of us who just want to get our makeup done and get out the door. I love that everything is included, literally everything. The only thing that I would maybe add is like a concealer, because you know me and my under eye. I'm like very big about my under eye, and I love like at least a little bit more lightness under the eye, so I would like a concealer. But aside from that, it looks amazing. The color of the foundation blends with my skin perfectly, and I'm really happy. And it took me not too long. It took me under 10 minutes, and I'm really, really happy about it. I should have actually put on a timer and saw how long it actually took me, but no worries, it was very fast. Well, there you have it. I'm going to give a thumbs up to the Fast Face Kit by the Lip Bar. I've already been a big fan of their brand, so this honestly helps solidify my fandom. I think it's super innovative, easy to use, straight to the point, and not too intimidating. So kudos to Melissa at the Lip Bar for coming up with this idea. And if you're interested in getting this product, I have all the information listed in the description box below. I highly recommend it. Because as you can see, it worked really well. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, feedback, be sure to leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know when my next video goes live. Until next time.